Hi, my name's Kane. I'm from the UK, but I've been living here in Fuzhou, the capital city of Fujian province, for the last 5 years. I think the culture of this province is really interesting. So in this series, I'm going to be exploring it, learning about it, and introducing it to you. Tea is a big part of Fujianese culture. Now, of course, all over China people enjoy drinking tea, but I've traveled quite a lot in this country, and it really does seem like here in Fujian, tea is an even more important part of life than in other parts of China. Now, I've got 5 famous Fujianese teas in front of me. This first one here is a red tea called Lapsang Souchong. It has quite a distinct, recognizable tea smell. That's really nice. In fact, it reminds me a little bit of the kind of black tea that we drink back in England. And this one is a northern oolong tea called Da Hong Pao. Wow, that has a really strong, smoky smell. And the flavor as well, very strong, very crisp. I think this would be a good tea to drink first thing in the morning to kind of kick you into action for the day. Now this is a southern oolong tea called Tie Guanyin. The smell of this is very subtle. The flavor is also quite subtle and a little bit strange. It's almost a little bit salty. And this last tea is jasmine tea. Now this is a tea that's made locally here in Fuzhou by infusing jasmine flowers with green tea leaves. It has a really strong flowery aroma. And you can really taste the jasmine flavor when you drink it. It's slightly sweet, very nice. So for my Fujianese afternoon tea, I think I'm going to have to choose jasmine tea because it's made locally here, and to be honest, of all of these great teas, it's the one that I enjoy the most. Most of the year, it's incredibly hot and humid here. But whilst the climate's not very good for humans, it seems to be great for jasmine. And that's one of the main reasons why Fuzhou became the center of jasmine tea production in China. The flowers that they pick need to be in full blossom tonight during the fusion process. So the ideal flower is something like this, which is almost ready to blossom. Well, if I want to learn about jasmine tea, I think I've come to the right place. This factory is one of the oldest jasmine tea factories that's still in operation today. And it's not just old, it's also really well known for the quality of tea they produce and the traditional methods that they use to make it. They're spread out across the floor, which allows them to slowly blossom. This is called waking up the flowers, which I think is a really cute name for the process. So we waited for almost 4 hours, and all of the flowers that the pickers collected have woken up. It seems like most of mine are still asleep. Maybe I just got unlucky and picked the lazy ones or something. Now the base of jasmine tea is almost always green tea, which is what they have here. But other teas can be used, such as white teas or oolong tea. The workers layer dry tea leaves and jasmine flowers on top of each other in big crates, and then they're left to naturally infuse in the hot, humid climate. Now I don't totally understand it myself, but it's not just that the tea leaves are taking on the fragrance of the jasmine flowers, they're actually infusing together with them. So in the end, it doesn't just smell like jasmine, but it also tastes like jasmine. So now I've got this fantastic jasmine tea, but in order to really enjoy it, I'm going to have to get some snacks to go along with it. That's what I'll be doing in the next episode. See you then. Bye.